Hey, and I just want to show you how to slice and weld products to get custom images in your design space. So this is a carrot I want to create, which I made earlier, and this was a carrot out of design space with lots of greens in different colours. So what I've done is I've ungrouped the carrots, and then I've just got this green here, deleted all the bits I don't want, and I just want to slice this into the back image. And what that will do is create my open green like in the top. And if you've not used the slice tool before, it's down in the right hand corner. So you just select all, slice, and there you go, you've moved your inside. Now to get rid of the carrot, I'm going to use a large square. And this is so great for just making custom images. Again, slice it, remove. No, it's not worked. There you go. Do it again. Slice, press slice, delete, and there's my carrot top. So this carrot here was in design space already. I'm just going to put them together, select and weld, and then I've got my image that I wanted to create. Okay, thanks for watching.